Hi, this is Abhijit. Today we are going to see about the retail management. I am going to teach you in a simple way so that it can make you easy to understand about the retail management. Let's see. Retail comes from old French word known as a trailer. It means cut off the clip, pair, divide in a terms of trailer. In 1365 it has been invented. Later it was meaning as a small scale in a smaller quantity in 1433. Let's see about the meaning of retail. According to the Philip Kotler, retail includes all the activities of selling of goods and services directly to the final consumer, whether for its personal use or non-business use. रिटेल, तुम सबको पता रहेगा व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय द रिटेल. अपने आजू बाजू आपने सब देखा रहेगा तो रिटेल शॉप होता है छोटे अमाउंट में, ग्रोसरी शॉप, स्टेशनरी शॉप, any a shop which known as a retail who sells the goods directly to the consumer. The retail management is a big stream. Take an example of a big bazaar. Future Group company's owner name is किशोर बियानी. कभी सपने में सोचा था कि बिग बाजार 400 करोड़ के ऊपर बिजनेस कमा करेगा? एक छोटा सा ग्रोसरी इससे सस्ता और कहीं नहीं. बिग बाजार का टैगलाइन, यू ऑल आर अवेयर अबाउट दैट, इट्स अ रिटेल शॉप. हम सब जाते हैं ना वहाँ पे. इट्स द बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल ऑफ अ रिटेल मैनेजमेंट. क्या किया उन्होंने? ऑल द ग्रोसरीज, ऑल द थिंग्स विच वी नीड फॉर अ डेली एक्टिविटीज, एक मल्टीनेशनल शॉप बड़े से दुकान में ला के उन्होंने रखा विद द रिटेलिंग प्राइस. They sell not in a big quantity, they sell in a small quantity to all of us. Retail means that only a selling of goods in a small quantity. It's known as a retail, but you have to be manageable. The retail management, see, the retail involves the targeting of an audience or a consumer. We'll see what does the retail involve. The retail involve 4 basic and important points. First, identify the target market, means identifying the targeted consumer, interpreting the needs of a target market. Third, developing a good rapport with the merchandise. And last, presenting the product in an attractive manner so that the consumer can consume it very easily. First, we will see the targeting the market, means consumer. As I earlier explained you, the आपको कॉलेज के बाहर कौन सी दुकानें मिलती है? फास्ट फूड सेंटर. They have targeted the college students. As well as you can see the stationery products. They have targeted the student. Hospital के बाहर fruit seller, medicines and so on. They have targeted the medical hospital, which are the necessary things. Second, interpreting the needs of a targeted market. मार्केट को उस जगह क्या जरूरत है, उनको क्या चाहिए, इट शुड बी इंटरप्टेड. बेसिकली इफ यू आर लिविंग इन अ सोसाइटी, अपने को घर के आजू बाजू व्हाट यू नीड? वी नीड मार्केट, वी नीड हॉस्पिटल्स एंड वी नीड गुड अकोमोडेशंस. सो एग्जांपल, इफ यू आर एन बिल्डर एंड यू आर बिल्डिंग एन हाउसिंग कॉलोनी, सो योर टारगेट क्या है कि हाउ यू हैव टू सेल द हाउस. उसके आजू बाजू आपको क्या चाहिए? ये सारी फैसिलिटी यू हैव टू गिव देम. सो यू आर टारगेटिंग सच ऑडियंस हु नीड दिस फैसिलिटी एंड दे कैन बाय इट. फोर्थ, presenting the product in such a manner, attractive manner, so that it is easily to consume the consumer. प्रोडक्ट को ऐसा बनाओ कि इट इज इजीली कंज्यूम. बेस्ट एग्जांपल वड़ा पाव. कितना इजीली है, पाव के बीच में वड़ा डाला, कंज्यूम कर लिया, खत्म. इट्स सो सिंपल. Product should be in such a manner it is could be easily consumed by the consumer. It should not be difficult in that. Now we will study about the factors influencing the growth of retail. First, consumer poll. What do you mean by the consumer poll? It's simple way the consumer poll indicates what the customers or the consumer needs, what are their wants. Okay. Now we live in such a society. The society is divided into 3 classes of the people. First, higher class, second, middle class, third, lower class. Each of this class, the purchasing or spending capacity differs according to their income. First, higher class people may purchase according to their income. They can purchase high value of product. Second, middle class. The middle class people can purchase a middle amount of product according to their income. Lower classes. Third, lower class can purchase according to their spending capacity or their income capacity, and they can purchase lower amount of valuable product. Why the retailer needs to keep this amount of product which varies from classes? He have to sell or he has to do business on this class of the people. He wants middle class also can take his product, lower classes people also can take his product, as well as higher class people also can use it. He want to do business with each and everyone. Let's take an example of Reliance Jio. He has launched a Jio mobile. Okay, कितना easy हो गया ना, इंटरनेट ही फ्री था देना शुरू किया. So students, it was quite easy to use an internet because it was free of cost. कोई भी यूज कर सकता था, lower class, middle class, higher class. अब ये तीनों क्लास के people को have that product. Reliance Jio is the best example for that. Affordable with durable. सबके पास आज Reliance Jio है, they are using it. Simple. And it's second, change in a social structure and consumer behavior. अभी this is developed recently, the changes in the consumer behavior. आज के डेट में ना behavior is changing rapidly. They want everything fast, easy and cheapest way. Okay, so consumer behavior change होता रहता है. Let's take about our clothing. First हम लोग कैसे ड्रेस अप होते थे? Formals, shirt, that's it. Now how we are dressing it? Jeans, t-shirts, shirts, jackets. So these are the consumer behavior that have been changed. आज के डेट में देखो ना, student, nobody want to purchase their own car. They rent a car or self-driving car. Best example, Zoom car, self-driving car, no driver, nothing. You just pay them and self-drive the car. No need to purchase the car or invest in the purchasing the car. You can just rent a car. Social structure has been also changed. The social structure, कैसा होगा social structure से? Now people are social structure. Traditional way of shopping is gradually falling down. आज को कुछ भी चाहिए, you just Google it, you get a price range. It varies Amazon, eBay, Mantra.com, any other. Price range vary होता है. It's easy way to shop. It's the social structure changes. Online shopping is new upcoming changes in the business environment. So they also do a retail man. They also do retail. They also give one product. They also give two products, and they also offer a bulk. First example of a retail is a grocers. They sell groceries. Isn't it? Okay, they sell 250 grams, 500 grams or 5 kg also. They came with the grocery product in the market and they told you just buy it online. It's a social change. ऐसा नहीं है ना कि आपने 250 ग्राम शुगर ऑर्डर कर ली, इसके लिए वो डिलीवरी करने नहीं आएंगे, वो आएंगे आपके पास डिलीवरी करने के लिए. It's a social change has been developed in this product. Third, retail proximity of the consumer. Manufacture, produce or give services according to the consumer needs as well as affordable cost. It's a proximity of the consumer. आज के डेट में मैन्युफैक्चरर्स को भी बिजनेस करना है, रिटेलर्स को भी वो सेल करना है, बट ये कभी पॉसिबल है जब भी कस्टमर के वांट्स के हिसाब से वो अगर प्रोडक्शन करते हैं अबाउट देयर गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज, then it is only possible to produce or to sell the goods. Best example of this is Tata Nano car. लाख रुपए में गाड़ी दिया उसने फॉर मिडिल क्लास पीपल के नीड्स को, वांट्स को ध्यान में रखते हुए उसने लॉन्च की टाटा नैनो एंड गिव अ ट्रिमेंडस सक्सेस विद द टाटा मोटर्स. नाम भी दिया था आम आदमी व्हीकल. Isn't it? It's a good product. The proximity that Ratan Tata has kept in the mind about the products of the customer, that they need a vehicle according to their budget, their wants, as well as it should be efficiency in the fuel. So what does he want? He only wants that the customer or the consumer which he is driving the Tata Nano car, he should be satisfied. Fourth, emerging rural market. Nowadays, the market in the rural areas has been emerged. Small scale industry has been taken place about the new products, best handloom products, handicrafts products, and so on. Best example of the emerging rural market is the Paithani sarees. The Paithani is a brand name about the sari which is developed in the rural of Maharashtra. They have given the brand name to the Paithani. It is an emerging product of the rural areas. Everyone loves to wear that sari. Handmade design and handmade carving on the sarees make them beautiful.